So guys, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing my trading setup. If you guys have been watching my content from when I started back in 2024 up to now, you notice that there's been progress. And right now in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this trading setup. So before we do that, I would like us to review my former setup, and the one I used back in 2024. Let's pay homage to the elders, because without that setup this one would never have been born. So let's go back to 2024. So first of all, this laptop you're seeing, some people asked me on the comments how much, because I said that I used my WAEC fee to get this laptop. So some people asked me how much was my WAEC fee that was able to help me get the laptop. Well, this laptop, from the way you can see it, you can see that this laptop is like a refrigerator, and see how big it is from the picture. So this laptop costs nothing more than 80k for this laptop. Funny thing is that this laptop could not even access trading view. I was using MetaQuote's this thing own terminal, because this laptop, the version was too old to even access trading view. So I had to be using MetaQuotes to be doing all of my analysis and all of those things. So this laptop does not cost more than 80,000. I think 75k. That was how much I bought it as of that time. But it served a good purpose though. Then for the table, as you all can see, this table, although there is no fixed price on it, but we all know that give and take, this table should be like, you can put a figure for this table, like any figure you like, you can put it for this table, because let's just say the table should be like 8k or something. Then what else? I can see a mouse by the left. That mouse, I got it 3k. Newspaper is free of charge. What else? Yeah, the cupboard I'm sitting on, that this cupboard should be like an amount of money. The cupboard is an amount of money, but let's leave it like that. So guys, that's the end of the review for this guy. That's the end of the review for this guy, and it's time for us to review the new generation. So let's go. All right guys, to review this I have to stand up, you understand? So first things first, what do we start with? Let's start with the big guy. Let's start with this one. So this monitor took me like 1 week. After when I ordered it took me like 1 week for it to arrive, 1 full week. And when it arrived, like, it almost got me kind of emotional, you understand me? So this monitor cost about, I think it was 650k for the monitor itself, but plus shipping and everything, it ended up to be like 700 and something. But let's just give and take, let's just say 700k for the monitor. I don't really remember the many figures, except I checked the receipts, but it's kind of, I don't know where I kept the receipt now. Then this laptop, I got this laptop, let's just say early 2025, or let's just say mid 20, that kind of May, something around that. I got it 250k. That was then though. And this one I got of recent, like last month, yeah, 450k. Then what else in this place? Bring the camera closer. This lamp was 25k, and the mouse is 10k, the keyboard is 10k. This one I think is also 10k. Yes, this is also 10k. And this fan store, this laptop holder, is 20k. And okay, the main table itself, this table costs 70,000 naira, and this chair costs 60k. This frame, unless the keyboard, this is why we are still here, because God remains alive. So our vision, our passion, everything also still remains alive. So unless they kill God, we remain alive and we keep pushing. So that one I got it 25k for the frame. So that's basically it guys on everything here. So if we should do I don't know how much everything has totaled up to, but I'll do the plus and minus and I'll put the total amount. So guys, this is it. All of this is that I've shown you guys is not for flex, it's for inspiration and to motivate you guys, because from what I've experienced, all of these things is not even money compared to what other people. But one thing I've come to learn is that in life I'm not in competition with anybody. My greatest goal is to be better than I was yesterday, and for me, I'm better than I was yesterday. So this is tremendous progress for me, and I believe that, yeah, if I come out and show you guys, it's also inspiring someone else. On my other video that I did, inspired a lot of people, and I'm still going to keep pushing more inspirational contents that inspire the next generation or even the current one, because who am I? Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. If you're not yet a member of my Telegram community that I created, from the 1st of April. I created this Telegram community. I've been documenting my life, the struggles, the journey up onto this point. Please, the link is going to be in the description. They were to join my Telegram community. I created a separate YouTube channel. Now, this channel is basically me showing you guys, do I say the lifestyle in quotes, or but that's other YouTube channel is going to be specific to me teaching how I trade, every single thing, all for free. So if you want to learn how to trade, join that Telegram, that YouTube channel is completely for free. The link, all of the links are going to be in the description. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace and love, guys.